Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop people from tagging you unnecessarily on Facebook. If you're using Facebook very well, you see that sometimes your friends can just tag you to any post, and sometimes those kind of tags can be annoying, especially if you are a serious person on Facebook and you don't want rubbish to just be littered all over your Facebook feed. Those tags sometimes can be very annoying because there are people that don't even know how to use the app. They just take a picture and tag you. Go to the river, they tag you. Fly on the plane, they tag you. They just tag you to everything that is happening in their life, and sometimes it can be very annoying. All right, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop them from tagging you unnecessarily. So follow me. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, my name is Awajimam Isioto, and on this channel I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So quickly, just like this video, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you can see more of the things that I'll be sharing on this channel. Okay, so having said that, let's go straight into Facebook. I'll go into my Facebook right now, and then if you come here, this is my profile. Let me just go to home. If you come here to my profile, I'm coming. If you come here to my profile, you're going to see that a lot of people are tagging me. You can see somebody just tagged me. You can see this person, he just tagged me and he's already showing on my feed. And if you look at my profile, most of the things I talk about are about business. So I don't want this tag to be showing here. I don't want this person to be showing here because my feed is about business. All right, so I want to show you how to remove this tag. So follow me now. If you have this on your page and you want people to see you as a serious person, you need to make sure that unnecessary stuffs are removed from your feed. So I'm showing you how to do that right now. Already, this is my Facebook. If you are on Facebook, you can follow me, okay, so that you can learn more from what I post. So quickly, let's come here. All right, let's say this is home. This is our home now. This is what you'll be seeing in my home. Now I'll come to this place, top here, this top right here, that you can see these three lines. In some cases, you see a three line. You click on it. All right, once you click on it, you will come here. All right, what you are going to do next is to click on this top here that you see that is here. You can see this place, or you go down here, down. You click settings. Are you seeing it now? You either click this up here, or you come to this down here and click settings. So we'll click on settings, and once we click on settings, it will open this place for us. All right, then we scroll to the bottom, scroll to the very bottom. All right, okay, now as you can see, everything has opened. As you can see, everything has opened. So we are going to go and search for tagging. All right, we are going to search for tagging. Just follow me now. Let's search for, yeah, good, you can see it. You can see profile and tagging. You can see profile and tagging. So you click on profile and tagging. Once you click on it once, it's going to open it for us. So once you see profile and tagging, this is what it will open for you. So this is where you can stop people from tagging you unnecessarily. Now from the top, you can see this place says who can post on your profile. There are sometimes you'll be doing your birthday, you see that somebody has posted something on your profile. You can stop people from posting that by coming to this place and click only me. If you open it here, you will see friends. All right, you can see friends. So me, I've set it at only me. Now let's go to the tagging. Now see this tagging. Now who can see posts that are tagged, that you are tagged in? Friends of friends. So I left it there. When you are tagging a post, who do you want to add to the audience of the post? You can see let anyone mention you. Now see this place. Now this is where you are going to stop them from tagging. This review tags that people add to your post before the tags appear on your Facebook. Now you are going to toggle this on. Are you seeing this now? Review posts that you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. You are going to toggle this on. So once you toggle these two things on, people cannot just come to your page and tag you anyhow. Are you getting now? Who can see posts that you are tagged in? You can put it as, you can just put it as only me. Are you seeing it now? So we have changed all these things. So by the time we go back to our profile, people cannot just tag you anyhow. Are you getting this now? So we have stopped people from tagging us. So this is how to stop people from tagging you unnecessarily on Facebook. Very, very easy. I believe you got value from this. If you got value from this, kindly tap the like button, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell. And I'm going to see you in my next video. If you want to learn how to make money online, you want to learn things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop a link there to access more information about all of that. I'll see you in my next video. Enjoy.